Kakadu plum is a nutrient-dense fruit found in the open woodlands across northern Australia. They are sometimes called salty plums or gold plums. This pale green plum is about the size of an olive or cherry. It is fibrous and has a tart, bitter flavour. Considered a gift of the Dreamtime by Aboriginal culture, these tiny plums are a nutritional powerhouse that have been used as traditional medicine for the treatment of various ailments. In today's video, we'll explore 6 benefits of Kakadu plums, contraindications and how to consume the superfruit. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. They are highly nutritious. Kakadu plums are low in calories and rich in nutrients, providing a range of quality vitamins and minerals in abundance. It is particularly high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects your body from damage caused by free radicals. It is also an excellent source of copper, which is crucial in the formation of red blood cells, bones, connective tissues and enzymes, while supporting optimal immune function and fetal development. Salty plums are rich in iron, another essential nutrient for oxygen transport and red blood cell production. They contain vitamin E and lutein, a compound that plays an important role in eye health. A 100-gram serving contains 110 micrograms of folate, the same amount found in broccoli. The tiny plums also provide smaller amounts of thiamine, riboflavin, magnesium, zinc and calcium. In addition to supporting blood sugar control, their high fiber content promotes gut health by relieving constipation, fighting colon cancer and irritable bowel syndrome. 2. They protect against immune system deficiencies. When exposed to long-term stress, smoking and alcohol consumption, even engaging in high-intensity activities like endurance training, vitamin C is one of the first nutrients to go. Nutrient deficiencies can quickly result in a compromised immune system. Kakadu plum stands out for its immune-boosting powers. According to the Australian Rural Industries Research and Development Corporation, it has the highest recorded level of vitamin C content of any plant in the world. That's more than 100 times vitamin C of oranges. In fact, a 100-gram serving provides over a whopping 3,000% of your daily needs, so a little goes a long way with this fruit. It is no surprise that these mighty plums can boost your immunity by supercharging your body with vitamin C. With exceptionally high vitamin C levels, salty plums also aid the absorption of iron, which is also abundant in the fruit. Adding 100 milligrams of vitamin C to a meal can boost iron absorption by 67%. This may be particularly useful for vegetarians and vegans, as well as people with iron deficiency. 3. It packs a phytonutrient and antioxidant punch. Kakadu plums exhibit superior antioxidant capacity, making this fruit one of the most remarkable high antioxidant foods on earth. They contain 6 times the amount of polyphenols and 13 times more antioxidant activity than blueberries. Antioxidants bind to excess free radicals, protecting your cells against their toxic effects. In addition to vitamin C, salty plums contain an impressive range of antioxidants, including flavonols, aromatic acids and anthocyanins. They are associated with urinary tract and cognitive health, lowering the risk of some cancers, healthy aging and antiviral effects, among others. 4. They lower the risk of heart disease. Vitamin C plays an important role in heart health. One study found that adults who took a daily dose of 500 milligrams of vitamin C had their systolic and diastolic blood pressure reduced over a period of 8 weeks. According to a review of 15 studies, People with diets high in vitamin C had a 16% lower risk of heart disease than those with a low vitamin C intake. Kakadu plum also has a high potassium to sodium ratio, which may help reduce hypertension. Antioxidants like kenthro and quercetin are also linked to promoting heart health and reducing the risk of having a stroke. 5. They help fight Alzheimer's disease. Researchers in Western Australia have found that Kakadu plums could have the most powerful antioxidant treatment yet in the fight against Alzheimer's disease. This is attributed to the antioxidant qualities of gallic acid, which are known to prevent neurodegenerative diseases and may also work as a potential Alzheimer's treatment. According to Edith Cowan University's Foundation of Aging and Alzheimer's Disease, the fruit could have antioxidant capabilities up to 7 times greater than curcumin, a highly regarded compound in turmeric that is also associated with the prevention of the disease. The foundation stated that the protective abilities in the plums make them even more powerful than turmeric. 6. They reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Vitamin C has the ability to reduce wrinkles and provide collagen support. It can also reduce hyperpigmentation and prevent skin damage caused by photoaging. One study conducted by the Beeson Aesthetic Surgery Institute revealed that topical application of vitamin C for at least 3 months saw a significant reduction of wrinkles, along with improved skin tone and texture. In addition, Kakadu plums contain trace minerals that nourish and invigorate the skin, including vitamin E, zinc, iron, folate, and lutein, all of which prevent premature aging. They are an excellent source of gallic and ellagic acid, which are known to repair skin damage and reduce collagen breakdown. With more ellagic acid than berries, this tiny fruit can reduce the inflammatory response to UV light. Contraindications and how to consume Kakadu plums. To date, there are no reports of negative side effects. It is important to note, however, that Kakadu plums contain high amounts of oxalic acid. While most people can eliminate excess amounts of the substance, high intake in sensitive individuals may cause the formation of kidney stones. It is recommended to limit their intake to 40 to 50 milligrams per day for those at risk. Kakadu plums contain 2,717 milligrams of oxalate per 100 grams of the dried fruit, far exceeding these limits. Salty plum can be eaten fresh, but because they are very fibrous and sour, they are typically used in jams, sauces, and juices. Their vitamin C content drops after picking, so in order to maintain their size and quality, the fruit is usually frozen for transport. Some retailers may sell the fruits frozen whole or pureed to preserve their nutritional value. Bear in mind that the vitamin C content is reduced when they are cooked. Additionally, the fruits are often freeze-dried and turned into powder. The powder can be sprinkled over cereals and added to smoothies, juices, and desserts. You can also consume the powder in its supplement form, packing anywhere from 150 to 450 milligrams of vitamin C per gram. The fruit extract is safe for skin application, and you can use it as much or as little as you like in your skincare routine. It's perfect for anti-aging serums and creams, after-sun care, face and even hair masks. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.